If you are new in this crypto market and you don't have idea about trading, you don't have idea about chart, indicators, price action, but you want to make money. So Bitget has the best feature, copy trading. Only you need to copy the traders in order to make money. You don't need to do anything. Just give your fund to the trader, they will open position, they will give you profit. So the whole thing I will show you inside this video, how to start with copy tradings, how to follow the traders, how to find the top traders in order to not lose your fund. Because copy trading will not give you only profit, it will give you loss also. So that's why do your own research, watch this video completely, and now let's get started. If you are new in this channel and you want to get more videos about copy trading, meme coins, cryptocurrency, crypto updates, even about indicators and price action, so make sure click on the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to get notification while upload any video. So first of all, you need to create Bitget account. If you don't have account, so make sure click on the link below in description, create account, complete your KYC, and then deposit fund inside your Bitget account. After that, simply click on copy trading, and then you can find several options: overview, futures copy trading, spot copy trading, strategy copy trading. Create your own strategy. So if you want to know more about copy trading, simply go with overview. It will give you more idea about copy trading. What is copy trading, how you can make money, how you can find the top traders, the whole thing you can find inside overview. So I will go with futures copy trading. Inside futures copy trading, you can find top traders. Okay, although you can find spot copy trading also. You know, those who are new in this crypto market, so I recommend to go with spot copy trading because futures are very risky. You will get lots of profit, you will lose all your fund. So that's why go with spot copy trading, because in here if you check, so all the traders are in a profit. None of these traders are in a loss, because spot trading will not give you loss, it will give you profit. So you can check in here. Although if we go back to the futures trading, so inside futures trading you can find top traders, like you can check in here, return over investment 4,712%, return over investment 4,585%. Mostly if you check, so all the traders are in a profit. You can check the percentage in here. Although if you scroll down, some of the traders are in a loss also, like this person is in a loss 153%, 1,833%. It means that copy trading will not only give you profit, it will give you loss also. So that's why you need to find the top trader in order to not lose your fund. So moreover, if you scroll down, you can find followers, highest profit and loss, and then you can check all the thing in here. So now what you need to do, how to start with copy trading. So first of all, find the top traders. As I want to go with, let me search in here. As you can check, some of the traders are in a loss also, because in here you can check total profit and loss 1,260, copiers profit and loss minus $201,000. Also you can check this person, total profit and loss 10,000, but copiers profit and loss minus $75,000, minus 1,926, minus $156,000. So most of them are in a loss in here if you check. Although this person, the total profit and loss is minus $445. So that's why find the top trader in order to go with. So I want to go with this person, Lamborghini. So just click on this. Let's check all the data. So in here you can see, unfortunately there is no sold remaining, 1,000 completed. So I will go with other one, but in here let me give you some idea about traders. So you can find total transaction, joint, a copy trader order. This is all the trading pairs. So return over investment, drawdown, accum, followers, asset under management, win rate. Check the win rate, 99.80%. So total profit and loss 10,000. So you can check the ratio. This is all the chart. Total income, user preference, BTC 54%, Ethereum 45%, So if you check the position duration, so most of the positions are in a profit. If you find any red color, it means loss. If you find green color, it means profit. And this is the trading volume on 15 April. The trading volume was 4051, and then if you check about 14 April, the trading volume was 3620, and then you can check all the trading volumes in here. So now I will go with another traders because this one is full, there is no any salt remaining. So I just want to go with this person. Simply click on follow. Now in here you can switch to advanced, but this is fine. Okay, first of all let's edit the trading pairs because there are lots of trading pairs you can check in here. So I want to select manually. I want to go with BTC, Ethereum, and then I want to go with link, AVAX, dot, cent. Okay, and then I want to go with Gala and Dogecoin. Okay, this is fine. Click on confirm. Okay, now the next option is with how much you want to go. So this is my first time. I want to go with only $10. So fixed value investment, 10 USDT margin. You can transfer $10 from spot to futures. If you don't know how to transfer, just tell me in the comment section. I will make a dedicated video, but this is not difficult. If you click on transfer option, simply select in here the amount. As you can see, I have $390 inside my spot. Simply type 10 and then click on confirm option. Like this you can transfer fund from spot to futures trading. So the next option, risk management. Click on this. We need to set our stop loss, take profit, and maximum follow. So my stop loss should be about 20% and my profit should be 60, 1:3. So maximum follow should be, I want to go with only $50. Okay, now click on confirm option. So this is my stop loss, this is my profit, and this is the maximum follow. One thing I should tell you, put that much amount inside your futures trading that you have a power of losing. Because for example, inside futures trading you have $1,000, but only you just start with $50 or $40. Don't think that inside future trading it will use all your fund. It will liquidate you. Your account will be zero. So that's why put that much money that you want to go with, that you want to start the trading. For example, I want to only invest $10. So I only transfer $10 inside my future trading, not more than that. Because if the trader's position go against the trader, go in a loss, so I will be liquidated. Think that you will not get only profit, you will get loss also. So that's why put that much amount that you want to go with. Okay, now click on next option. Now in here you can check a leverage mode, follow the trader. So trader will select the leverage its own self, like 10x, 20x, 50x. Okay, and then fixed amount $10, stop loss 20%, take profit 60%, maximum follow only $50. Click on confirm. So finally I just follow this trader. You can see in here overview, a copy trade, capital, copy trade, net profit. So still there is no any data because newly I started. So in the next video I will show you my profit, I will show you my loss. So that's why subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon so that you should not miss my next video. The next video I will upload soon once I get profit, once I get any result from this copy trading. So this is how you can go with copy trading. If you don't have idea about technical analysis, if you don't have idea about chart, about indicators, about spot trading, future trading, about leverage, so make sure start with copy trading. Only start with a small amount, $10 like me. So once you get experience, once you get a positive result, so you can invest 100, 1000, 2000 and then get more profit with copy trading. So now tell me in the comment section how you feel about this video, how you feel about copy trading. Give your idea in the comment section. Will you go with copy trading or not? Because this is the best option if you want to make money without knowing any technical analysis. Okay, still did not subscribe to our channel, make sure click on the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to get notification while I upload any video. Again, if you have any question regarding copy trading, tell me in the comment section. In the upcoming video I will give all your answer. Okay, this video is end up in here. Till the next video, goodbye, see you.